وشوف شفايا أشيرو تلقي ميرك يا دوري بالمناديل وشوف فرقا يغادي الومض سرا في عويلاتي وشوف شفايا
This is Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, the War and Peace Report. That's the Sudanese legend Mohammed Wardi playing the tambour. We're going to talk about Sudan in a minute, but right now we turn to a major decision here in the United States. I'm Amy Goodman with Juan Gonzalez. Juan?
Well, a federal judge has rejected a series of arguments by lawyers for the private military contractor Blackwater, who were seeking to dismiss 5 war crimes cases brought by Iraqi victims against the company and its owner, Eric Prince. At the same time, the judge ruled that lawyers for the Iraqi plaintiffs need to amend and refile their cases to provide more specific details on the alleged crimes before a decision can be made on whether the lawsuits will proceed. Susan Burke, the lead attorney for the Iraqi victims, told The Nation magazine she was very pleased with the ruling, while Blackwater spokesperson Stacey DeLuke said, quote, "We are confident that the plaintiffs will not be able to meet the high standards specified in the judge's opinion."
For more, we're joined by Democracy Now! Video stream by award-winning journalist, Democracy Now! Correspondent Jeremy Scahill, author of the international bestseller Blackwater, The Rise of the World's Most Powerful Mercenary Army. His article on the ruling is available online at thenation.com. Jeremy, welcome to Democracy Now! It's being played by the mainstream media as a huge defeat for those who are taking on Blackwater, but you have a very different take. Explain.
Well, I mean, when I got up yesterday morning and saw all these headlines from the Associated Press and other media outlets saying that a federal judge had tossed out all of the lawsuits against Blackwater, I was actually quite stunned. I mean, that would have been a devastating development for the Iraqi victims of the company. But then I actually got the 56-page ruling from Judge T.S. Ellis, who, by the way, is a Reagan appointee, and I read it. And actually, what you see in this document is that it's a very well thought out legal argument by Judge Ellis, where he's essentially saying to Blackwater, your argument that you can't be sued as a private company under the Alien Tort Statute is false. Your argument that private individuals or companies cannot commit war crimes is false.
Whoops, looks like we just lost Jeremy. Jeremy's speaking to us by video stream. We're going to try to get him back on, and we'll try to get him on the phone. But right now, we'll do that for the end of the show. We will turn to our next guest. That consider just a tease for the rest of that subject.